In the drama Don't Mess With Her, the handsome actor Li Shiyao plays a prince named Yu Chongqing who suffers from anorexia and meets a talented chef named Zhang Zizi who experienced time travel and was thrown into ancient times and became the wife of an exiled prince. While Miss Zhang was cooking, the prince approached her because of a very delicious aroma. Miss Zhang did not know that he was her husband because they had never met before. Until when Zhang Zizi was framed for poisoning the prince, she knew her husband. The prince chased Zhang Zizi, who left his palace because of the accusation. The prince vomited blood and fell unconscious in the rain while chasing Zizi. How will their love story continue?